Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to show you how to filter an Excel sheet in mobile so you can quickly sort and view only the data you need. Now let's get started. Open the Excel app on your device, then go to the worksheet. Start by tapping on any single cell within the data set you want to filter. This tells Excel where your data range begins. Next, tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen. Go to the Data tab, then tap on Sort and Filter, select Show Filter Buttons, and tap the X to close the menu. You'll now see small arrows appear at the top of each column. Tap the arrow next to the column you want to filter. Now tap on Filter Items. Uncheck Select All to clear everything, then check the box next to the specific data you want to see and tap Done to apply the filter. That's it. You've filtered your data, and you can repeat these steps on other columns if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more easy tech tutorials.